Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to protect Instagram account from hackers. If you're using Instagram and you have a fear of your Instagram account being hacked, so let's see some steps to protect your account. So very first, you just have to simply open your Instagram app. So the very first thing is that you just have to make sure that your Instagram app is official. It's not downloaded to any third-party app or a website. So you have to simply open your App Store or Google Play Store here, go for search, and you have to go for search for Instagram. You just have to try to update your Instagram app using your App Store or your Play Store. So once you have updated, you have to simply go to Instagram, tap on your profile option in the bottom right, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, select account center, and here select password and security. Now on this section, you just have to select very first your login alerts. So here you'll get all of the login alerts or if your account has been tried to log in. So after that, you just have to go for where you are logged in to check on which devices your account has been logged in. So you can easily choose your Facebook or your Instagram account. Just select anyone and you can easily see that on where your account has been logged in. You can directly log out using this section here, or after that you just have to go back from here. The two different ways or two different steps you can do. Very first, you have to try to change your account password. Select your Instagram here and you just have to enter your current password, then enter your new password, and after that retype your new password. And after doing that, you just have to tap on change password and your account password will be changed. So after changing your account password, you just have to go back, then go for two-factor authentication, and you must have to enable two-factor authentication for your Instagram account. Here you can use authentication app, or you can also use your SMS or WhatsApp by entering your mobile number here. And after doing that, your account will be protected. So once you have done this, so after that your password has been changed now, so no one can try to log in with your account using your old password. Or after doing that, your two-factor authentication is now enabled. So whenever anyone will try to log in your account, you will send or you receive a message or SMS on your WhatsApp or your messages app. So in this way, you can easily protect your Instagram account from hackers. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.